Okay. Osteoporosis, causes and solutions. You figure your body is always regenerating, always regenerating. That way, the more you use your bones, the better. Now, osteoporosis is a thinning of the bones, but it comes from blood acidity. Now, your body alkalinizes through four different means: respiration, perspiration, pooping, and peeping. Yes, I did say pooping and peeping. So if you're at one bowel movement a day when you should have 2 to 3, that means your blood could become acidic. If you're not respirating, if you're not breathing hard every day, where your oxygen transfer, because like, watch this, that's carbon dioxide leaving, that's an acid. So respiration is huge. Okay, and then urine production. Know that if you have, and that's how the body detoxes: respiration, perspiration, pooping, and peeping. If you have a defect in any of those, like you're not moving every day, you're not getting vibration every day, you're not walking every day, you're not getting direct sunlight exposure, this is beautiful. Welcome to Southern California. Okay, that, and along with nutrients. Now, you need a heck of a lot more in calcium for strong bones. You need multiple minerals: phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, selenium. I mean, all of these things. But when you're in a chronic state of stress, you produce less stomach acid. So look at physical, chemical, emotional stress. Realize that you could break a bone. 4 to 6 weeks later, it's brand new. So osteoporosis is an adaptation to blood acidity, and that means you've got a defect or low function in respiration, perspiration, bowel movements, and urine production. So that is how the body detoxes. So look at healthy sleep, look at dealing effectively with the physical, chemical, emotional stress, and look at some of the best exercises around there. Walking is the best. If you're walking barefoot on the grass or hard sand, fantastic. If you're doing a vibration set at 30 cycles a second, which stimulates lymph flow and stimulates bone production. Bike riding, okay, a rebounder. There's so many things that you could do, but it's literally movement is going to be the key. You strain your bones to get harder, but bones become thin under nutrient deficiency and poor respiration, perspiration, bowel movements, and urine production. So look at healthy blood, breathe in every day, get direct sunlight exposure. If you want sunblock, hey, use coconut oil. It's got an SPF of 4. You got to put it on a couple of times, but eventually you're going to get used to being sunlight exposed. Healthy bones, enjoy it. God bless you. I love you.